Trending online, you may have seen our latest report looking into what follows after years of private text messages between judges becoming public. Though many are redacted, others speak harshly of local attorneys, leading two prosecutors in the Upper Peninsula to push for one of the judges' removal. On Monday, we told you an independent judge has turned down one of the requests. Now, my UP's Skylar Perkins has the latest.
Can a judge insult attorneys in private text messages? According to a split decision by one of the top judicial ethics experts in the state, they can, but only to an extent. Through two opinions released this month, Judge Monty Burmeister, a decade-plus member of the Judicial Tenure Commission, said the trove of text messages discovered between Mackinac County Probate Judge Clayton Graham and 11th Circuit Court Judge Brian Rahali walked both sides of that line. The messages were discovered through a criminal investigation into Graham, who has been on leave since April. Rahali, on the other hand, continued presiding over cases with prosecutors who now knew he had labeled them as lazy, useless, and even asked his peer, "Is it legal to kill attorneys?" In July, two prosecutors formally filed to disqualify Rahali from the cases they were involved in, alleging bias. In Mackinac County, Burmeister agreed, saying prosecutor Stuart Spencer had been subject to unreasonable hostility in the private text messages. However, in Alger, Burmeister said prosecutor Steinhoff had borrowed heavily from Mackinaw's filing and that much did not transfer. And the evidence presented that was relevant did not rise above the allowable fleeting breach of courtesy. In a statement shared with us afterwards, Steinhoff said he was disappointed with the ruling and feels Burmeister failed to account for the totality of the circumstances, vowing to appeal the order to a higher court. Until the appeal effort is settled, we're told Rahali will remain off the bench in both counties, but will still be working in Luce and Schoolcraft. Meanwhile, we've confirmed for the first time details about that criminal investigation into Judge Graham that kicked this all off. For those details, find the story on our website or mobile app. For my UP News, I'm Skylar Perkins.